So, look at my strawberry bin. It's like, it's getting compromised. So now I gotta take these out, you know? And they wide open, man. Anybody could come in here and get free strawberries. Strawberries. I'm real upset about that, so I gotta fix that. You dig? Put some strawberries over here. Put some strawberries right there. I put strawberries over here. These now have strawberries. Mix them in with my elderberries. I guess my chestnut tree can also use some strawberry natives, relatives. Got lemon balm here in case the squirrels don't want to play nice.